Alrighty, here is my Hoover Convertible model U4387. I picked this one up at my local recycling center's treasure chest about 7 or 8 years ago, and it's a decent vacuum, but when I got it, it did not have a belt. So this is my first time testing it with a belt. And we have height adjustment set to low, which is perfect because this is a low pile area rubbing. Not bad. Compared to the other convertibles that I've tested, this one has quieter brush roll, but truth be told, I'm actually using the brush roll off of my orange one, which there should be a video up of it. So there you go. Hope y'all enjoyed.